everyone, it's Mrs. Vickers. I was just hopping on here to show you guys how to take your Unit 4 math test virtually. You all have done this before, so I was just going to make this video as a quick reminder of how to do it. The first thing that we need to do is log into Clever. The next step that you would take is to log into the Educlastic app through Clever, which you can see right here. Once I click on the app, it will already have you logged in, which is the nice thing about Clever. Saves all your login information. From there, you'll see a Unit 4 assessment assignment. Okay, well, this one says that it's already been started, but yours will say start assignment. And once you start the assignment, it will start you on question 1. You have 11 questions. Okay, you can look and see that you'll select the questions that you want to choose as your answer once you've worked out the problem. Okay, remember, this does not have to be done mentally. You can work it out on a sheet of paper. I will also send a PDF of this so you can work it out on that sheet if you'd like as well. Then you'll just click next once you've chosen your answer. I believe it'll give you a check mark or something here indicating that you've answered the question. The only one that's a little tricky here, some of them have 2 parts. You'll just have to type in your answers there. Some are multiple choice, but number 11 requires you to use the tools. Okay, so for example, it just says draw a point on this number line to show the number of vegetables Emily picks all together. So from there, I think the only tool that we'll need to use is the selector tool. Okay, and then on this number line, you can see that you can take your drawing tool. You can take your drawing tool and just place a dot, a point, on that number line where you'd like to indicate how many vegetables Emily picks all together. You can also make it like a number line, and so it would represent the problem as well. Okay, where you do your jumps of your single jumps or however many jumps you think that you need to take to solve it. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to put a dot here on the 0. Okay, you can see I just drew a little point there. Okay, if I made a mistake and I need to fix it, I believe I go here to the tools, editing tools. It says select an item to apply action, and I believe I can just cut it, and then that takes it away. You can see that it went away. Okay, make sure that you click submit. Once you've clicked submit, I'm not going to click it because I don't want to lose the progress here, or especially since we haven't taken this person has not taken this test. And once you click submit, it will tell you which questions you've answered. It'll just do like a quick review. All the squares should be blue if you've answered all of the questions. The only one that I have to go in and correct is this last one, because you do have to draw and represent your model to model this problem. And then it'll ask you to submit again once you've reviewed. So you have to click submit 2 times. I think one's here and the next one will be over in this area. Okay, you'll see it up here on the top at someplace. Okay, I'm just going to save this one and close it out. You can also do that. You can see that you have until December 18th to complete it. So you can save and come back to it if you need to. Also, this week in math, since we're at the end of our unit, we'll just do some review with some fun activities here on Schoology. Okay. So to access that, you'll just go to the Schoology app where you've been doing your lessons and assignments these past few weeks. If you are in my class, you'll go to Math 202. If you're in Miss Perry's homeroom, you'll go to Math 208. I'm going to click on it. And there should be an assignment here that's embedded that will pop up. It's a CSI digital mystery. So you'll have to solve some problems to figure out the mystery, to solve the mystery. These are some clickable links, where to start, and then the clues that you'll have to access. And the question you're answering is, who caused this Christmas chaos? You can also work on, there's a few mystery pictures here for you to work on if you haven't done those yet. A few other activities here. Remember, we can always do Reflex and Dreambox. Those are always great options. And here's another activity, the Selfish Elf Math Mystery. So when you click on that, you'll want to make a copy so that you're not sharing that document with other students and answers are being changed and exchanged. Sorry, my internet's a little bit slow. So the first slide is just a quick little video for you to watch, and then some information about what you're going to be, what you're trying to solve, what mystery you're trying to solve. In this case, it's the case of the selfish elf who keeps taking all the cookies for the elves, from the elves. Okay, you'll have a list of possible suspects. I think there's 9 slides total. You just have to go through the slides. Each slide will give you a step closer or a clue to which elf did or did not do it. So make sure that you're marking off the ones that you know for sure did not do it. Okay, using those problem-solving skills that you guys have. Anyways, once again, we miss you guys. We wish you were here with us. But we'll see you next year in 2021. And we can't wait to see you. Talk to you soon.